guys, my name is Yoana. Welcome back to my channel, Yoana Art. Today I'm going to do a simple and easy lion craft for kids. Now let's go on. And the things we need is something round, pencil, one marker, some scissors, some glue, some paint or paints, and one coin to draw a circle on, and you need just one plain paper. Okay, after drawing your circle, you get a fork and just dip it into liquid. If you don't have a palette, you can use a plate. Very fun kids craft to do. You can do at home or in your art class or anywhere. Okay guys, I am done with my lion. Okay, now you take a small piece of paper and draw your eyes with your cutter wheel. Guys, now you just fold the paper. And then draw your circle with your coin here. Absolutely not good coin, but it's okay. It's just eyes. Okay. It's not very good. Okay, that's our eye. And now we will cut it off. If you folded it, there will two come out, guys. I'm done. So now we will draw them. Just put a little bit of white and now cut it. Okay guys, I am here. Okay, our eyes are done. Now we will draw the mouth, and the nose. Okay. After drawing that, we will draw the mouth down. Okay. Okay, and now draw polka dots on the line. And we're done, guys. Onto the right leg. So, we're done with our little lion. It really turned out good. So, yeah. I hope you like this video. If you did, please press the right button and remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!